Welcome to a journey of timeless elegance and rustic charm. In today's video, we're diving into the breathtaking world of rustic Tuscan farmhouses, where stunning architecture meets luxurious interior designs. From the charming terracotta roofs to the inviting stone courtyards, these homes epitomize warmth and sophistication. Let us whisk you away to a serene countryside filled with rolling hills and golden sunsets as we explore captivating exteriors, grand layouts, and idyllic outdoor spaces. We'll begin with the architecture itself, a symphony of stone, wood, and vibrant landscapes that define the essence of Tuscan beauty. Imagine a picturesque aerial view of sunlit villas, shaded by olive groves and bordered by colorful gardens that exude tranquility. Get ready to be inspired by designs that seamlessly blend tradition with modern elegance. Step into the heart of Tuscan comfort. These living rooms blend rustic textures with elegant details, from exposed wooden beams to plush furniture in earthy tones. Picture yourself by a crackling stone fireplace, surrounded by warm golden hues that invite relaxation. Intricately woven rugs and vintage decor pieces add personality, while large arched windows let sunlight flood the room with natural beauty. Each space feels inviting yet luxurious, the perfect setting for unwinding or entertaining. Let's explore the soul of these homes and discover what makes these living rooms unforgettable. Prepare to be swept away by the rustic charm and culinary allure of these kitchens. Tuscan kitchens are all about warmth, with aged wooden cabinetry, terracotta floors, and countertops that feel as timeless as the Italian countryside. Imagine open shelving adorned with copper pots and ceramic jars, a stone oven crackling with warmth, and herbs hanging to dry above your workspace. Every detail feels crafted with care, from the textured stucco walls to the hand-painted tiles. It's a space where tradition and practicality meet in perfect harmony. Let's take a closer look at these kitchens designed to ignite your inner chef. Welcome to a haven of relaxation. Tuscan bedrooms offer a romantic retreat, blending cozy textures with elegant design. Picture a wrought iron canopy bed draped in soft linens, with stone walls that reflect the warm glow of an evening sun. Earth-toned decor, vintage furniture, and rustic wooden accents make these spaces feel both inviting and timeless. Large windows frame picturesque views of rolling hills, while soft lighting creates an ambiance of tranquility. These bedrooms are a perfect escape to dream and recharge. Let's explore their serene charm. Step into a spa-like sanctuary. Tuscan bathrooms redefine luxury with their stone basins, brass fixtures, and arched windows overlooking breathtaking landscapes. Imagine a clawfoot tub surrounded by candles, set against textured stucco walls that exude rustic charm. Warm terracotta tiles underfoot and vintage mirrors add an old-world elegance, while potted lavender provides a soothing, natural touch. These bathrooms are designed to pamper and inspire relaxation, blending tradition with sophistication. Let's dive into these tranquil oases. The dining room is where Tuscan hospitality comes to life. Long wooden tables, surrounded by mismatched chairs, invite warm gatherings with family and friends. From antique chandeliers casting a golden glow to colorful Mediterranean tiles, these spaces feel lively yet intimate. Picture freshly baked bread, rustic pottery, and vintage wine bottles enhancing the decor, while the scent of blooming lavender wafts through the air. Whether indoors or al fresco, Tuscan dining spaces are designed to celebrate food and connection. Let's explore these inviting gathering spots. Step outside and feel the Tuscan sun. Outdoor spaces are where these homes truly shine, offering cobblestone courtyards, stone fountains, and pergolas draped with grapevines. Picture yourself lounging on rustic wicker furniture, surrounded by olive trees and lavender bushes swaying in the breeze. Whether it's a shaded terrace with panoramic views, a tranquil garden, or a sparkling swimming pool, these areas are crafted to connect with nature. Evening lanterns and the glow of a sunset make these spaces even more magical. Let's step into this outdoor paradise.